Okay, here's my 30 Ford Roadster on a 32 frame, all original. A 1957 Thunderbird motor. I've made the leg pipes out of a 1936 Ford drive shaft. That's how I got the cone shape. Steely wheels. 32 car grill original. Buick brakes. The motor runs great. I'll start it up here for you. I love this seat. I squeezed a 1941 Ford Dash. Worked out really well. I held it down a little bit so that you can see the gas gauge to see what the fuel level is in the cow tank. I still use the cow tank. Works great. Some vintage water slides. '40 truck steering wheel. I have a top that fits it perfectly. 1950 Pontiac taillights. There's a rumble seat in there. So let me go start this thing up for you so you can hear it. Turn on the key. All of the gauges work. Tack works. Car runs great. We drive it everywhere. Thanks for looking. Everything's been rebuilt, mechanically 100% sound. It's got a winter's quick change, gets down the road. A lot of fun. Thank you.